Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Metamask application from your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Metamask application from your mobile device, then go to your app drawer and find Metamask. Press hold the application for quite some time, and in the pop-up that appears on the screen, tap on Remove App. Tap on Delete App from the pop-up one more time, and again, you'll need to confirm deletion by tapping Delete, and doing so will also delete the application's data from your mobile device. Simply tap on the Delete button and you'll be able to see that the application has been deleted and it no longer appears in your app drawer. If you ever wish to get back to your Metamask wallet, you'll need to simply download the application by visiting your App Store or your Play Store and get the app downloaded back again. That's how you can easily delete Metamask application from your mobile device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.